Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 10 alternative ways of saying no in English language. आज की वीडियो में हम इंग्लिश में 10 मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से नहीं बोलना सीखेंगे. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First alternative way to say no is no way. Second is nah. Third is nope. Fourth is sorry, can't do that. Fifth way is not happening. Sixth way is absolutely not. Seventh way is not a chance. Eighth way is I'm out. Ninth way is can't agree to that. 10th way is not interested. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.